An asteroid destroying Earth. Asteroids are constantly flying around, and you may remember the scare in 2014 when an asteroid the size of Ben Nevis flew past the Earth that had the capability to cause some serious damage. But one of the most recent and closest of all happened in June 2015. NASA were monitoring this monster-sized rock which measured 1.5 miles across and had a mining worth of 2.2 trillion. The rock was so valuable as it contained nickel, iron, cobalt, water, nitrogen, hydrogen and ammonia. It hurtled past the planet at 45,450 miles per hour, had a very elongated shape and was almost black in appearance. It was 15 times the size of any other asteroid that has passed close to Earth, and it caused astronomers and scientists to demand global action to develop a system to destroy or divert asteroids like this if it was likely they were on a collision course with Earth. Although the rock did pass safely at a distance of around 4 million miles, which in space is not actually that far, if it had altered its path just slightly, which was a high possibility, then its destruction to our planet would have been catastrophic, because we simply would not have been able to stop it. When small meteors enter the Earth's atmosphere, they go from travelling through space, which is virtually a vacuum, to now travelling through air, so they burn up due to the resistance the air has on them. But when we're talking in the size of asteroids, like the size of this one, at over 1.5 miles in size, then it would break up, but it would create hundreds of bomb-like rocks that would crush everything in their paths, cause tsunamis across our oceans, earthquakes, and global extinction. It's also worrying to hear that NASA have no idea where 98% of meteoroids and asteroids are heading, and sometimes they're only spotted whilst they're passing Earth. Professor Brian Cox once said, "There is an asteroid with our name on it and it will hit us." And NASA do agree, but believe one won't hit us for a few hundred years, giving humans time to develop systems to deal with the threat of a total human wipeout by an asteroid.